Hello, my friends, and welcome to our channel, Nerves Trading here. And if you're interested about binary options trading, then you are in the right place. Today, guys, we are going to trade in Kotex.io, and this time we are not gonna trade in the OTC market. Okay, so we are going to use a different strategy today. We are going to use the 2-minute time frame. Okay, so meaning every candle is 2 minutes. Okay, and the expiration time that we will be using is 3 minutes. Okay, and we are going to be betting $100. Okay, so we are going to really analyze before we enter our trade. Okay, and we are going to use the support and resistance strategy. Okay, so let's see if there are any important levels that we can look at. Okay, so this right here is okay, so there's a clear trend right here. Okay, so let's draw a trend line. Okay, so the trend is going up. Okay, as you can see, and I think I can actually enter the trade right here. Okay, so as you can see, the trend is going up. Okay, so let's draw another trend line for the upper side. Okay, so that's a trend angle, so this is not what we want. Okay, so trend line again right here. Okay, so actually we can draw another line right here. Okay, so this is the lowest point for this area right here. Then it went up to this level, went down, went up again, went down. Okay, so it seems like it does not, okay, break this line right here, this red line right here. Okay, and now it went down. Okay, and again, for the first time in 1, 2, 3, 4 cycle, it hit this level again. Okay, it break out a little bit, and now it continues to go up. Okay, so that's why I entered an up trade right here. Okay, but if I see, okay, that the candle went down continuously, okay, went up a little bit, then continued to go down, then that is a good indication that the trend has reversed. Okay, meaning that the price will now continue to go down. Okay, but in this case, as you can see, it break down a little bit in this level right here, in this line, but it went back up immediately. Okay, now it is in this area. It hit this level right here, this line, this blue line, then it went back down. Okay, so now it hit this kind of a support line that we draw, this light blue line. So for me, that's an indication that the price will now go back up. Okay, so let's see what will happen here. Okay, so we just got our bet back. Okay, we didn't profit, we didn't lose either. Okay, So it seems to me that this is a consideration, whatever it is. Okay. So that's consolidating right now, as you can see. So this means that the players in the forex market are in the indecision mode. Okay, so as you can see, green or red line, there's no really dominating factor. Okay, so the buyers are not dominating, sellers are not dominating either. So I think let's see, 1 minute up trade. Okay, so if we chose a little bit longer of expiration time, maybe 4 minutes, maybe we could have won in that trade. But of course, you really cannot predict 100% what will happen in the market. So if you can predict 100% what will happen, then you should be a trillionaire right now, okay? So our position is doing good. Just don't spike going down, please. Okay, stay right there. 1 second, please. Stay right there. And yes, we have won the trade. And we had 79% payout. That's why we profited $79. And yes, I think that's good for today, guys. So $79 times 50, that's about 4,000 plus pesos. Okay, in just a few minutes of trading. Okay, but of course, before I got to this level, guys, I have done so many mistakes. Okay, I've practiced so many times, so many strategies. Okay, so a lot of experience. So if you are watching, uh, don't uh, don't stop practicing. And if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, and also like the video. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you again in the next video.